And I'm going to tell you more. I'm going to remind you about Led Zeppelin Celebration Day Party.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for the following New Jersey counties: Hunterdon, Sussex, and Warren, plus the following Pennsylvania counties: Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Chester, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, and Northampton. Effective until 9:28 p.m., the National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch 234 FECT until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for the following areas. In New Jersey, this watch includes 3 counties. In northern New Jersey, Hunterdon, Sussex, Warren. In Pennsylvania, this watch includes 8 counties. In east central Pennsylvania, Berks, Lehigh, Northampton. In northeast Pennsylvania, Carbon, Monroe. In southeast Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, Montgomery. This includes the cities of Allentown, Bethlehem, Blairstown,